So you got 2650?
Yeah, so basically they have the two fast ones that we had here before, so expect them to come around. Just cover your corners, alright guys? Don't focus on one bit. To each other as well, okay? If you feel like that bomb is there and you're not sure, just push and check. Always push and check and just say, do we have the bomb in there or not? Everyone happy with that?
Yep.
Yeah? Cool, get ready guys. You can move up to this, sorry. Move on to this.
Shotguns!
Yep.
Start from here guys, start from here. Who's ready?
Dave, you causing havoc?
Yeah. Should put a tray for this.
Yeah.
He's put one of his. It's quite cool.
Dom?
Get ready! 2, 1!
Yeah, did it.
Oh, God, I'm too big for this shit.
Kostas, how did your blue team get all the way here so quick?
Speed, motherfucker.
They're not walking!
That's so quick.
They're not walking! They're not walking! They're not walking!
Well played. Marshall coming through.
Hit, good shot, nice.
Well played, well played.
Dead man.
Well played, good call, well played. Push forwards, Reds. But be careful.
Well, that's rude.
You got guns, I haven't.
Ah, shot. Well done, mate.
Well played, good call. Well done, buddy.
I know.
So put that in one of my pockets.
Why's it coming loose? Blue, 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 blue. Sorry? They're coming in. No, not yet. They're all around there, eh?
We have the red sausage rolls. It's got to be a sausage, bean and cheese melt, man.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Oh, ow, Oh. Can I get it? Oh, yeah.
Push in.
Hit, shot. Dead man. I've come for my cookies.
True blood.
Oh.
True blood.
Jackie Jack. What can one see? Cool. Stay there. Yeah.
I'm going to stand on that corner. Don't go there because we're doing so well. Just don't go inside there. Just control this, but don't go in there, yeah? Marshal here, marshal here, marshal here, marshal here.
Yeah. I'm going to spin round.
Yeah.
Just stay there.
16 minutes left. 1-6. 16 minutes left. You hear that?
Do that.
Yes. So currently location 2 is owned by Blues, but I told Blues not to push around the back end between building 3 and 2. You know, that's the freeway. I've locked them in this sort of so yeah, as soon as I see more race. Right, if you get any other new Blues that come through, just tell them not to push if you're still here.
Yeah, no worries.
No problem, mate. We won anyway, so just, yeah. Marshal here, marshal here, marshal here.
Stand further back, mate, stay further. Go that way, get that way, get that way. No, just stay there, but yeah. Ah, yeah, that hurts. Oh, good shot, nice. Pop it, Eager. We'll just stay here for a little while, shall we? No, it's so dark in here, isn't it? Say again?
Enjoying yourself?
Yeah, loving it, mate. Good fun. Should we just stay here for a bit? Have a breather? Oh. Yeah, no worries, mate. It's all good. Yeah, no worries. You good? Shall we do a draw? Cool, right, ready? Let's go in the middle.
Oh, what, like Mexican?
Yeah. Should I? It's all good. Yeah, I'll come find you, I'll come back. I'll come back for you, Jack.
Okay.
So,
Dig up. I think we're in 2.
coming. Sorry.
You don't need to kill a dead man, that's not fair.
Can't see.
I'll take it for the team.
It's going together. Ready? 3. I'll go straight, you go right.
Head.
Right, I'll go straight, you go right. Blue. 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 Ow. Yeah, nice one. My ass. Yeah.
Don't fucking dare, Cox.
What? Do what?
I've been nailed in here too many times.
Oh, daddy.
Oh, fucking hell. Careful.
Oh no.
Hit. Shot. Ah! Idiot ass crack. Ah! Fucking hell. It's just, oh mate, stinging like fuck. It's like herpes all over again. You can't get it twice though, so it's fine. Heck, good shot, nice. Nice, what a mate.
Dead man, dead man.
Good.